Hi, hello, and good evening. I'm Karyle Sayago, and I'm going to do a report on gen cloning. But before we begin, some people may wonder what gen cloning is and who originated it. So let us start. First, define gen cloning. Gen cloning is isolating a specific gene or DNA fragment from a donor cell, attaching it to a small carrier molecule known as vector, and then replicating the recombinant vector into a host cell. The first scientists to transplant genes from one living organism to another were Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer, paving the way for genetic engineering. And what exactly is a genetically modified organism, or GMO? Or what does GMO stand for? A GMO, or genetically modified organism, is a plant, animal, or microorganism whose genetic material has been altered using technology that generally entails the precise modification of DNA, as well as the transfer of specific DNA from one organism to another. There are some GMO or transgenic organism examples. First, we have corn, soybean, cotton, potato, papaya, apple. And here are the possible benefits of genetic engineering: more nutritious food, tastier food, disease and drought resistant plants that require fewer environmental resources or such as water and fertilizer, less use of pesticides, increased supply of food with reduced cost and longer shelf life, faster growing live plants and animals, and other. GMOs were created to meet the requirements of farmers, but they can also assist consumers in making food more accessible and expensive. Let's talk about Dolly the sheep now. Dolly was the first mammal to be cloned from an adult somatic cell. She was a female Finnish Dorset sheep. Using the procedure of nuclear transfer from a mammary gland cell, she was cloned by associates of the Roslin Institute in Scotland. Dolly the sheep, the first mammal cloned from an adult cell, died on February 14. Dolly was born on July 5, 1996. After diagnosing an incurable lung malignancy, her caregivers at the Roslin Institute in Scotland slaughtered the 6-year-old sheep because it was a mammary cell that was cloned. The stockmen who assist with her birth suggest the name Dolly in honor of Dolly Parton. Dolly was notable for being the first mammal to be cloned from an adult cell. Her birth demonstrated that specialized cells might be employed to make a perfect replica of the animal from which they originated. Stem cells are the body's raw materials. They are the cells that give rise to all other cells with specialized tasks. Stem cells divide to generate new cells called daughter cells under the correct condition in the body or in the lab. Working with human embryonic stem cells raises ethical concerns since it necessitates the death of embryos, which some people see as human life. Therapeutic cloning is similarly devices, with detractors claiming that it entails entirely for the purpose of research or treatment. This is Karyle Sayago, reporter for Gen Manipulation, Gen Cloning.